How to turn off Facebook memories. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn off your Facebook memories from your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Facebook app from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. Tap onto your profile on your top right, and at this page, tap onto Memories. Tap on the settings icon on your top page. Under here, you can either choose to not get notified at all, or you can choose to only notify about special videos and collections. In case you would like to hide memories from specific people, tap onto People and type in the name of your friend that you would like to hide the story from. You can do it from here. In case you would like to hide the dates, this is how you can do it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.